talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Are you clean, crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Yeah, let's talk, shall we? Next union negotiated raises will be in paychecks dated December 8th, 2023. So, if you're watching this video starting this week or next week, whatever you work starting next week will be incorporated. Your little pay increase will be added on to that. Who's this for? Well, let's read. APWU represented career postal employees will receive a Union 1 general wage increase equal to 1.3% of base pay effective November 18th, which has passed. Non-career APWU represented employees will receive an additional 1% or 2.3% GWI as they do not receive COLA. The raise will appear in paychecks dated December 8th, 2023. The latest wage increase caps off 2 years of strong raises secured in the 2021 to 2024 contract and follows record-breaking cost of living adjustments for career employees, which totaled $2.39 per hour or $4,971 annually. That ain't bad. COLAs are added to the base pay schedule, so the PSEs will recoup these increases when they convert to career status. So if you are a PSE right now, when you do convert, it will be tacked on to your initial starting rate as a career employee. These negotiated increases can only happen because of the strength of our collective endeavor, said APWU President Mark Diamonstein. We are already preparing for the opening of negotiations on our next union contract in July of 2024. And the activism and organizing of our members will play a crucial role in delivering an even stronger collective bargaining agreement. So, that was a very short article. I don't know what's going on with the National Association of Letter Carriers. It's not a jab at you, but last time I saw anything for you guys was back in March. Sorry. And mail handlers, I didn't see anything for you guys yet either. What I do know, though, is this individual, Mark Diamonstein, just said that they are preparing for the opening of negotiations on our next union contract in July 2024. That's about 6.5, 7 months. Actually, 7.5 months. So, do you guys know what they're going to be bargaining for? Does anybody? Does anybody know what your president of the union is going to be bargaining for? Do you? If you don't, then get involved. Get involved. If you just sat here in the beginning of this video and fret at the whole $2.39 per hour and said, oh man, that's bullshit, then if that was a surprise to you, then get involved. Get involved. I told you guys to show up to your union meetings. I told you guys to write your union people. I told you guys to go and make your voices heard. If you want something better, do something about it. It just doesn't miraculously happen. Because if Mark feels as if this is good and you don't feel this is good, when he negotiates the next contract, are you going to be complaining about this again? Without doing anything good? Without putting your 2 cents in? Or are you finally going to step up and say, look, I think we need X, Y, Z. That's what I would do. I mean, what do I know? But I honestly think that The time for us to continue being strong is here. The time for us to stop complaining is here. Stop the complaining. Get involved. It's our time. Get involved. $5,000 a year annually is nothing to sneeze at. If you were only at, let's say, 45 grand a year and you went up to 50 grand a year, I mean, that helps within 2 years, because a lot of jobs, they don't get the raises. They don't. We not other jobs, Shay. I understand that. But we have the option to get involved. I can reiterate that word 1,000 times. I can say it 1,000 times, but how many of you guys are actually going to do something about it? Get involved. Get involved. Get involved. We got a pay increase. Great. Are you going to see a substantial change to your paycheck? Probably not. Would you like to? Yes. Get involved. Stop complaining. Get involved. Let's make this place a better place for everybody. And stop complaining so much. Let's do this. This is JH, and I'm out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.